It's been a year since we launched the Journal Investigates, our reader-supported platform for investigative journalism that pulls back the curtain on how Ireland works, exposes injustice and drives change. Since then, we've published investigations at least twice a month on topics ranging from chemotherapy delays to culling healthy badgers.
Did you know that thousands of controversial Chinese surveillance cameras are currently watching public spaces in Ireland?
A network of fake Irish retailers has been pushing misleading offers for discount clothes for the past 2 years.
Since 2024, the HSC has seized over 3,500 vapes from retailers and importers for breaching a range of rules.
Other employees, content moderators, have to watch real footage of graphic violence and abuse each day.
Our work has sparked national debate and reform, with our findings repeatedly raised in the Dáil and the Seanad.
You'll have seen the Journal Investigates report.
The Journal Investigates team this week published figures.
I would like to raise the reporting done this week by the Journal.
The Journal recently published quite a harrowing reports.
This work takes time. When I mapped Ireland's data centres, I trawled through decades of planning records to find them all. It took weeks of careful research.
Your support makes this possible. Help us keep uncovering stories that really matter to people.